to Luigi's Mansion 3. I know it's been a while since I did the mansion, but I didn't forget about the series on here. Today I'm going to take on the Boiler Room boss, Ghost. I know in the last one I somewhat kind of took him on, but I didn't fully take him on, if you know what I mean. But today we're going to take on the boss, or at least attempt to take on the boss. And I hope you enjoy this video. Hit that like button if you enjoy this video or not. Leave down in the comments below what you think of this boss. And such. I hope you enjoy me trying to take on this boss. It's been a while since I done this, so excuse me if I forget the controls or whatever. Darn it, I gotta pop up my thing again. So excuse me if I forget the controls and everything. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. It'd be much appreciated. Go, Luigi, go. Suck, Luigi, go. Ooh. This is a hard boss. But I'll try to finish it in this episode. And if I don't, it'll have to lead into another video on the series. Okay? And I hope you're all having a great day. I love you guys, and I hope you're all staying safe. You're all staying safe, and I really hope you're all staying safe. I really do. I hope you're all staying safe. Because with COVID and things like that going around. Ah, man. I'm sorry the recording quality ain't that good. I'm recording off my tablet. I don't have a fancy camera or anything like all the other YouTubers out there. But I appreciate the people that watch my videos and stuff. You guys are awesome. And I hope my videos cheer you up if you're down or whatever. You guys rock. I know I'm dragging this series out more than it should be. There's probably videos on there that they in the game in like 9-10 episodes maybe of this series. 9-10 episodes. But I drag it out because I want you guys to enjoy it, you know what I mean? Enjoy it and such. Even though if it's just like for, I don't know, 30 minutes of gameplay. I don't want the series to end like too quick, you know what I mean? If that makes sense. say? Ah, dang it. I know I missed my chance. Come on, Luigi. Excuse me. Ah! Did it again, dang it. I'm gonna try to beat this boss, and if I don't in this episode, I'm sorry. I'll do it in the next episode. Next time I meet. Which I won't wait this long. You know what I mean? Dang it, I'm not in there. I don't have a bone for Polter Puppy to save me, which sucks. Spin. I know how to beat him and everything, it's just hard to get him. You know what I mean? Drive around till he spins out, I guess. He'll get tired eventually after. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Drive forward, Luigi, drive. Ah, dang it, I missed my chance again. No, rats. Get away from me, rats. Ah, no, no, the rats. Oh no, rats are taking over my health. Oh, darn it. Oh no, Luigi. Why didn't you tell us you had the plague? You could have got the plague shot. Luigi could have got the plague shot. No. I'm trying my best, people. I'm really trying my best here. This is like, ooh, excuse me. This is infuriating, I know. I know, this is really hard. When I beat this game before, on my own time, the other bosses were easy compared to this one. But this is just a replay for me on my channel. I mean, I've beaten the game and everything, but I wanted to share it with you guys on here. Alright, country bumpkin guy, you're going down. Like I said, if I don't get it in this video, I will definitely get it in the next video. And I do apologize for the delay and everything. And not filming this one sooner. And come on, suck him up, suck him up. Come on, come to Luigi. Come to Luigi, yes. Yes! Come on, let's get him. Let's get him as much health as we can down. Yes! Smack him! Smack him! Smack him! Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes! Got some leadway on him. Not a whole lot of leadway, but I'm gonna, like I said, I'm trying to kick his butt in this level. I mean, this video. Come on, set it off, go off, blow up. Go off so I can suck you up, buddy. Okay, come on, get away from the spikies, get away from the spikies, get away from the spikies. Ah, Ah, no, no, get away from the spikies. Aha, go, 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 Luigi, go. I should just jump out right there. Damn it, I'm not gonna get him. Come on, Luigi, go. Go, go, go. Run, Luigi, run. Don't worry, don't run. I'm not gonna get him, am I? He's gonna bounce back into the tub. Run, Luigi. Dang it. Dang it. At least I'm getting some leeway, right, guys? Right? Yeah. No, jump back in. See, he takes too long. When he does a little bouncy thing, he takes too long. Okay, come on, stay away, stay away. No, 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 get away, get away, get away. Ah, dang it. You gotta be amazed at myself. Okay. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Come on. Okay, Luigi, come on, let's go. Let's see if I can suck him up. Go, 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 get that health down. Smack him! Smack him! Yes! Come on. No, I don't think I want to get in this video. I'm going to do 2 separate videos then. Okay. Ah, dang it. Okay, come on, let's go. Put it in the video? Maybe. I don't know. Alright, I'm going to leave this video off.